Tissue paper is a great way to enhance your gift packaging presentation in just a few quick seconds. Tissue paper sheets are available in a huge variety of solid colors, patterns, special finishes, and holiday designs. You can mix and match colors and patterns to create your own unique look. The 20-inch by 30-inch sheets are the perfect size for many different uses and make decorating your packaging easy and quick. Here are 3 great ways to use tissue paper to decorate your holiday packaging. 1. Use tissue paper the classic way, inside your gift bags. For perfectly fluffed tissue paper, grab from the middle of the sheet and fluff the tissue outwards, then place it inside your bag. You can mix different colors and styles to create a contrasted, layered look. 2. Use your tissue paper to line the inside of your gift boxes or shipping boxes. Fold the sheet of tissue to the proper width and place in the bottom of the box. Add your items on top, and then fold the remaining tissue paper over top. 3. Wrap your small gift items individually with tissue paper and tie with a ribbon or enclose with a sticker or label. These 3 easy ways to use tissue paper sheets can elevate your gift packaging instantly. Visit splashpackaging.com to shop our high-quality SatinWrap tissue paper. Available in solid colors, prints, holiday designs, and special finishes like metallics or holographic accents. Thank you.